Happy Wednesday. We are out with Rollo on our first walk of the day. We are bringing Mr. Nicholas to school. She's doing really great. She's night and day with the prong versus flat, which is great. I think that we're gonna have a good day. Come on, honey. Good girl. About 10 minutes in, pretty much fully hands-free. I might grab it here and there just to prepare myself, but I haven't really need to use the leash. She's pretty respectful of what we're doing. She's not hyper-fixating on anyone around us. There's lots of kids walking, lots of people, lots of cars. We're in a really good state of mind, so we're just having a nice walk. It's very pleasant. Good girl, Rollo. Who's a good girl? Yes, come. Good baby. Yes. Come. Yeah, that's my girl. Good job. Good baby. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Come on. Yes. A little bit of leash guidance needed there. That's okay. This is all really new still to her. Good girl. Wow. Are you a cute little lady? Huh? Are you a cute little lady? Oh. Because this very well might be the only dog that we see. I don't really think much is going to happen. They're pretty far from the trail. But he just watches us every time, so maybe he'll care. She might not even notice. Who knows? I wish she'd notice. There we go. Good girl. Yes. She's a good girl. Good. Good. That's a good girl. Good. Rollo, please. Yes. Good. Good girl. Rollo, please. Yeah. choice. Roll, place. Yes, very good. 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 Roll, place. Yes. Good baby. Good baby. Good. Roll, place. Yes, that's my girly. That's my girly. Yes. Yes. Oh, baby. Oh, babies. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good job. Good job. Roll, place. Good. Good. Roll, place. Yes. Wow. So that one, you saw the pep in her step. That was with e-collar. The one before it was not. There was a lot less pep in her step. So you can see the difference where they're like, all right, I'm going. I'm only at a 3. Definitely cannot fail a 3. I can't. She can. Roll, place. Good. Roll, place. Good. Knocks enough. Roll, place. Good. So Rollo got 0 practice with any dogs around today because literally I guess nobody walks in the rain. Leave it, Knox. So we're just walking around our backyard while my dogs are free. Knox is just muzzled for her own feelings, but she'll probably just stand there and watch me being like, why aren't you doing anything with me? And Rollo's like, please, I don't know what to do. So we're just walking. Good. 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 Rollo, come. Very good baby. Knox, sit. Sit. Good. Good. Very good job. Leave it. That's good. Good. Rollo isn't the most comfortable, and that's okay. Come on, Rollo. Rollo, come. Good. Good. Knox actually didn't really give shit at all, which was weird. Come on, Rollo. Good. Good. Nice. Yeah, babe. Good job. Here. Good job. Good. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Good. Place. Good. Place. Knox, come. Good. Good girl, Rollo. Knox, heel. Good girl, Rollo. Good. Heel. Good. Good girl. You're a good girl too, don't you worry. Yeah. Good. That's very good. Sit down, Knox. Good. We finally saw another dog, and that dog was reactive. And both of these ladies did phenomenal. So good job, ladies. Alright, Rolo just got here, so we're working some place-to-place drills with the e-collar. She's been pretty sensitive with the e-collar. We're working extremely low, like 1 and 2 initially. I'm just getting up to 3 and 4 now. She was trying to escape it a lot. They usually do, it's very confusing. But she's getting much better, so she's getting much more comfortable and starting to understand that when I do the thing, the stimulus turns off. So that's what we're working on now. Little place? Yes, good. So, I've moved on from using the stimulus first. I am now setting in place, pressing the stimulus, having her go over there as soon as she gets on, or if she's moving real fast, a little bit before she gets on, and releasing the stimulus. Roll, please. Good. Good girl. Much better. So before, when I first taught her, she was kind of going all over the place, didn't know what it meant, where to go. That's why we used the leash initially, but she's starting to understand. Roll, please. Yes, very good job. Wow, your energy's good today. Now, if at any point she goes to get off, I'm and putting stimulus back on. Good. Good. Right, so me grabbing the leash shouldn't indicate to her that we're getting up. You're stuck. It's stuck. Good. Good. Roll place. Yes, that's a good baby. So right now we're just using low level communication levels. These are not corrective levels. This is not to correct her or penalize her for anything. It's just to follow through. What I mean, or what I say, I mean. What I say goes. Roll place. Very good. I didn't do loose leash drills right away. I just wanted to see how she was going to be. That's the first time that she's gotten too much ahead. And you'll see I hardly applied leash pressure. She's just kind of sticking to my side, which is awesome. So yeah, she's in a really great headspace. This morning we started with some e-collar drills before we went for a walk. And she's taking to it so much better than she did last week, which is awesome. So we are on the right track. We're about to go meet up with Ivy Smoodle. And we're gonna get some crazy doodle distraction around us to leave it. Good. She's looking at a person. We're gonna get some crazy doodle distraction to help us with some of our training. So I've just told them that they can play. Good. So she's not fully fixated. She's definitely interested, which is fine. Totally fine. Good. Good girl. Good choice. Come on. Good. Good. Come on. Yes. Good girl. That's really nice. Good. Good. Come on. Good. Come on. Good. Good. So we've got her just here. They're playing tug. They're running around. She's actually more interested, I think, in going over there and playing. I think there's a bit more FOMO than anything, less reactivity than anything. Good. Very easy to bring back to me though, which definitely makes me feel like it's less of a fear, more of a FOMO, which is great. Good. Yes. Come on. Come on. Good. Good choice. Good. Yes. Good. So Ivy just started chasing the ball. Good. And she's not even paying attention. Good. Ivy's jumping around and playing. Good. 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 Good.
It's funny is I've been rewarding her so much for looking at dogs and disengaging. She's
Oh. You crazy. Oh, you crazy. You crazy lady. You crazy lady. Is this what drying off turned into? Was being a sucky baby? Was it being a sucky baby? Oh, look at the sploot. You're about to sploot. Oh, we love it. Oh, we love it. We love it. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh. No. Oh. Oh. Good job. Good. Good. Great. Good job, honey. That's good. Good. ROLO, come. Yes, good. Good choice. Break. ROLO, come. Yes, good. Good choices, big girl. Break. ROLO, come. Yeah! Good. Break. Sit.
Yes. Babies. Yes. Yes. Please. Good. Good. Break. Yes. Yes. That's a good baby. That's a good baby. Ready? Roll the count. Yes. Good. Break. Roll the count. Yeah. That's good. Break. Roll up, please. Good. Okay. Place. Break. Yeah, baby. Roll come. Yes. Good. Roll come. Yes. 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 That's a good baby.